Guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I took a break from YouTube from a past from a bit years. So I'm here to tutorial how to change the cursor on your Roblox to an old cursor. Okay, first of all is right click the mouse and then open file location and then go up here. As you can click this content, textures, cursors, keyboard, mouse. So as you can see, this is a new cursor. Now, to change that, go down here, hit it, and then copy, copy, copy this one. Go up, go to the cursor, go to the cursor again, and keyboard, mouse. Now right click, paste. Replace the file in the destination. Click that. As you can see, I change it to an old arrow cursor. Okay, the another one is here. Click this arrow far cursor. Right click on it and copy. And then let's go up and go back to the cursor. And then double click, and then right click and paste. Replace the file in the destination. And there you go. And last, we're going to the Roblox. Just wait for a minute. So you can see it's changed to the black. And then now, for example, I'm going to join. Is it? It's Taubat Rising Lava. See, as you can see, it's changed the white cursor. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. It's been a while. Bye.